LF666 Screen-Equipped Drone Operation Guide. Unpacking the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light stays on during charging. Green light stays on when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Indicator light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Remove protective film. Install remote control joysticks. Insert memory card. Extend drone arms. Install drone battery. Place drone on level surface. Press and hold to power on drone. Then turn on remote control. Remote control will automatically pair with drone. Wait for video transmission connection. One-touch gyro calibration. Push left joystick up to unlock drone. Push again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Press the top left speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Electric camera adjustment. Press the roll button and move the right stick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Enable headless mode. The drone will treat the remote controller's direction as backward flight. Press briefly again to disable headless mode. Enable obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will halt upon encountering obstacles. Enter fine-tuning mode. If the drone drifts left, adjust right. If drifting forward, adjust backward. Press briefly again to exit fine-tuning mode. One-touch landing. Press the photo button briefly to take a photo. Press the record button briefly to start recording. Press again to save the recording. Press the return button and select the file system. To view saved photos and videos, press the switch button to view recordings. Press the return button briefly to return to the video transmission screen. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propeller. Note the A or B markings. Install the corresponding propeller.